Hello guys, it is me again, and I don't know what time it is. I was gonna say it's currently, but it's not. I don't know what time it is. So today, here's a different video, not dry your shoes or anything, but it's DIY how to make your own wine, kid wine, just by using popsicles. Which it's really actually easy. All you need is some popsicles, 2 popsicles, any colors you want, which I am using the color. I'm putting it in the freezer to make it cold faster. I'll show you how to do it in a second. I'm using here these kind, green and yellow, and so let me take them out. Okay, so you get your green and yellow or whatever colors you want, and then you're gonna go to the sink. And then get a cup and fill it up with not boiling water, but really hot water. And then you want to place popsicles in it and let it melt. And then wait a second, wait a minute, and then go back to it, and then just crunch them up, and then put it back in there. But dump the water and put more hot water in it, and then it should be almost all like this. Look, have no ice in it, and then you can just put them in the fridge overnight. If you want them to go faster, just put them in the freezer. Put them in there. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then you get your wine glass, which I have also put in the freezer. I'm gonna put it in the freezer to make it colder. Yeah. And then you cut it open and pour it in there together, and it tastes so good when you mix the flavors. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Just like and subscribe if you're new. Bye.